missing someone without you.
Hey guys, Alayna here, and there's always at least one roller coaster that everyone universally says, RMC it. And this coaster, Wildcat at Hershey Park, is notorious for being one of those rides. Some people like this ride, and I get it. It's a GCI. It was their first one though. But also, many people say that definitely RMC it, retrack it, something to make this better. And after what seemed like months of people telling Hershey Park, saying, just RMC it already, come on, we're seeing the clues, Hershey Park announced a video and came up with a video that was very suspicious. It was a very vague video, but for one of the clips, there was a TV screen that had a POV of Wildcat. I will show it up on the screen right here, right now. And everyone has been finding that super suspicious, and I do not blame them. It looks very suspicious. So, I don't really know. Maybe they're just teasing us, or maybe RMC Wildcat really is and officially finally happening, which I hope that happens, because I feel like an RMC would just make this park even better than it already is. It has an amazing lineup, and this could definitely do wonders for the park. And what do you guys think? Is this going to be an RMC? I hope. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching, and fingers crossed, RMC, please come to Hershey Park. Bye!